Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'll share with you 5 simple steps to building your low-content publishing business. Before I dive all in, you have to promise that if you found this helpful or learned anything new, you will like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making videos like this. That's my favor if you found this helpful. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Okay, step number 1, do your research. Probably the most important step of all, doing good research to find keywords people are searching for on and off Amazon or wherever you're uploading your books on is a critical step in this process. You need to know what is selling and what is not and stay away from niches that have no demand or too much competition. You don't want to waste your time and energy on creating books that won't sell. Step number 2, create your interior. You can either create your own interiors by using everyday free software like PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slides, Word, Canva, or you can purchase already done interiors with commercial rights. Personally, I design or create my own interiors mostly in Adobe InDesign. Since you will know exactly who to aim those books at, you'll know what to put in there. And when you're getting good at creating your interiors, try using more advanced software like InDesign or Affinity Publisher. Your books will look more professional. Step 3, design your covers. Depending on the type of low-content books you're creating, you can either design one cover or many covers to be used with your interior using free images and free programs. I normally use Photoshop for this, but you can also use PowerPoint, Keynote, Affinity Publisher, BookBolt, or Canva. For images, my go-to would be Creative Fabrica or Creative Market. I have links in the description if you want to try them. They're worth it. If you're downloading from free sites, just make sure to check their licensing. Step 4. Upload to KDP. Upload your book or books if you have created them in bulk to Amazon's KDP platform for approval. Sometimes it will take hours to be approved, other times it could take days. So just be patient and create more while waiting. Last step, wash, rinse, repeat. After you have done this process a few times, you'll become an expert at what works and what doesn't, and it will become like second nature. And that's it. If you really want to learn more, I have a course on this and check out the link in the description, and you can also join the Facebook group. Ask questions there, share your thoughts, and help others as well. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, like and share to help others. Enjoy your day and keep watching and keep learning. See ya!